Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make eggplant sauce. So stay with me as I take you through all the steps I use to get a very delicious cooking sauce. Stay with me. Cabbage, of course, eggplant. I use fresh tomatoes, green peas, tomato paste, fried chicken, fried liver, corn, sardine in a tin, and ooh, that chicken looks succulent. So cut up everything I'm going to use. So I just diced it. Those that needed to be diced, those needed to be cut. I just cut them up and put them, just left them on the in the bowl. And as you can see, this is how I cut up my eggplant in diced form. You can do what you want with yours. And I'm using almond oil for this. So this is my chicken broth. I had pre-boiled my chicken and fried it, but this is the stock. So I just put it up to use when I'm ready. Of course, now we've added our stock, we've added our oil. Now this is my tomato, and we just start adding the vegetables. So my eggplant has gone in, and next is the cabbage. So my cabbage is in, eggplant. I can see my green peas. I hope you can too. And I'm just stirring this together. I would have already added my tomato paste as well, and my fresh tomatoes too. So just showing you how they look inside. For those who are wondering if there is no onions, I do not like onions. So these are some of the ingredients I used. So basically I've added in my ingredients. The food is just boiling, simmering, and you can see my liver as well. So this is a very rich sauce that I made, and here is a slower display of the ingredients. So jack seasoning, curry powder, Maggi cube, all purpose, thyme, salt, yeah. And I also added Cajun to it. Cajun is a purely Caribbean sauce, a spice, sorry. And now everything has been added. This is simmering really nicely. I like how it looks. Like, ooh, it's that can't wait to eat you vibe, right? So just simmering really nicely. And at this point, I've added my chicken. Now I add my sardine because I want the chicken to soak in all that sauce as well. So now I've added my sardine. Of course, your sardine will break in the pot. So this is the last stage while you are doing this. And you have to try not to stir vigorously at this point so you don't break up or mash up the sardines, as we say in the Caribbean. At this point, I add my very soft corn. Where I can cook with onions, I don't like to cook without corn. So we just leave this to boil. Ideally, I should cover the pot, but voila, here we are. That's my chicken. I use pasta, and this is our sauce. This tasted so delicious, guys. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Bye.